Hello, welcome to 1325 Fifth Avenue, the northeast corner of Central Park. I'm taking you to work with me today down at Hudson Yards. I'm going to show you the commute. New Yorkers complain a lot about their commutes, and for good reason. But we often forget how awesome this place is and the great things that we see every single day when we go to, just by going to work. So, I'm going to take you on a trip through New York City, show you what it's like to commute to work. First thing you need to do is wait for the ambulance to pass. And then we can roll. Let's roll. So here we are, northeast corner of Central Park. Tons of traffic, like usual. We're gonna blaze right through this. No problem. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. And again. I am a professional lane splitter. Oh, that does not look good.
You have any handcuffs for yourself?
A cop? A cop ran you over? Are you kidding me? Dude, somebody arrest that cop. Somebody needs to arrest the cop. They hit a friggin' motorcycle. Street. We're going to take this left, cut these cars off, cut this ambulance off. Woohoo! We are cutting through Central Park on 97th Street right now. I actually got pulled over on this intersection the other day for doing exactly what I'm about to do. I just did it again. I got pulled over last time. I got away with it this time. Yay! Okay, we are now heading to 96th Street. Okay. There we go, 96th Street. Central Park's behind me. Now we're heading over to the west side. We're about to cross Columbus Avenue. Jump the reds, meaning I leave the intersection before it turns green. That's not because I'm a jerk. See me slow down real quick? It's because of that speed camera. I always forget about it. I've already gotten 4 of those tickets. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Anyway, I jumped the green. It's a safety thing. Keeps you away from the traffic. I may get a ticket for it, but it's worth it. Plus it gets you to your destination a little bit quicker, so I use the safety excuse. But I benefit in other ways as well. What do you think about splitting this? We got this? All the way down? I don't know, man. That's tight down there. We'll give it a shot. Tight right there. We're gonna go this way. Whee! We're gonna go into the other lane. we're going to cut them all off like that, and then we are going to jump the green. Ready, set. Coming up on Hudson Yards, 34th Street. This is the Javits Center. That's where I got my COVID shots, both of them. Alright, look at these big ass buildings. My office is up there somewhere. One of these days I'm going to scrape a car. But not today! Look at all those tourists. Don't know shit about what they're doing. That's cool though. Welcome to the city. Alright, jump in the green. Here we go. My office is in this building. And I will show you where it is. Here we go. Into my office. That is the Oracle in front of us. Big, useless artistic structure. Big fancy hotels. Big fancy mall. It's pretty, but it's totally useless. There's the mall. Of course, we got a Starbucks. We got an Equinox. And my office is in there. Up there. Over there. Up there. Over there. Up there. Over there. Okay. Let's get out of here. Go to work. That's it. Welcome to work.